Let's celebrate this wonderful meal with a refreshing swim.
Moments like these make our journey even more memorable.
Good morning, our little friend. Enjoy your milk.
Today, we will prepare a delicious stuffed whole chicken using one of our farm-raised birds.
Always wash the chicken thoroughly with plenty of clean water to ensure perfect hygiene. Darling, please bring me 4 tomatoes and 2 red onions from the garden.
These fresh ingredients will give our stuffing and sauce an incredible flavor.
Let's organize all our ingredients before we begin.
Rinse the rice until the water becomes clear for the best texture.
Finely chop the vegetables to create a flavorful stuffing.
Season the rice mixture well so every bite is delicious.
Season the chicken thoroughly to enhance its natural flavor.
Fill the chicken generously with the rice stuffing.
Tie the legs securely to keep the stuffing inside during cooking. Brushing the chicken helps achieve a beautiful golden color.
Roast the chicken until it becomes tender and perfectly golden.
Let's begin preparing a delicious sauce to accompany our chicken.
Fresh tomatoes and herbs create a rich and flavorful sauce.
Allow the sauce to simmer until it thickens beautifully.
Our chicken is roasting perfectly and smells amazing.
Let's prepare the table for our delicious meal.
Our stuffed chicken is now perfectly roasted and ready to rest.
Let the chicken rest for a few minutes to keep it juicy and tender.
Fresh herbs add a beautiful aroma and enhance the presentation.
Serve the delicious sauce alongside the chicken for extra flavor.
Everything is ready for a wonderful meal together.
Let's carve the chicken to reveal the flavorful rice stuffing inside.
Serve the chicken with plenty of stuffing and our delicious homemade sauce.
A beautifully arranged table makes the dining experience even more enjoyable.
This chicken is incredibly tender and full of flavor.
The rice stuffing and sauce complement the chicken perfectly.
Cooking together makes every meal more special.
Sharing this delicious meal with you is always a joy.
Let's celebrate this wonderful meal with a refreshing swim.
Moments like these make our journey even more memorable. Moments like these make our journey even more memorable.
Thank you for sharing these beautiful moments with us.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to prepare this delicious stuffed chicken with rice.
If you love our couple and what we do, please subscribe and like to support us. Thank you.
Bye. See you soon.